Maintaining your yard should be something to look forward to. Baumr-AG's handy pole trimmer and pole saw combo and all the gear in the new Cordless gardening tool range are powered by the 20-volt lithium sync battery. Being lithium powered, it starts at the push of a button, and it has a zero-maintenance motor that runs quietly. The pole saw head has a quality Oregon bar and chain with a toolless tensioning system, and it effortlessly deals with a wide range of branches. The trimmer head has quality 21-inch double-action blades for fast results. The head swivels to 5 angles, and the durable, lightweight aluminium shaft extends in seconds, so you can ergonomically trim hedges of all styles with ease. Auto oil lubrication contributes to cutting performance, and you can keep tabs on the level thanks to the viewing window. With a soft grip handle and ergonomic controls, plus a shoulder strap and a weight of less than 4 kilograms for each tool, it's incredibly easy to get the job done. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy the convenience of premium, rechargeable, cordless technology. Buy smart. Buy a Baumr.